the war, the battleground. The world has seen many wars in last many centuries. The soldiers fighting to safeguard their country, be it in the dense forest or in deserts where the temperature remains 50 to 60 degrees centigrade, or in the snow-clad steep mountains in minus 30 to 50 degrees centigrade. There some die and some get severely injured. Who take care of them? Who treats them? They are our respected doctors, fighting off the battlefield, even risking their life too. In all natural calamities like flood, earthquake, again the saviors are the doctors. When there has been epidemic of cholera, Kala-Jar, dengue and many more, the fighter on field, the real hero remains the doctors again. What is still on?
Pneumonia outbreak in Wuhan, China.
A new type of coronavirus.
The number of affected countries has tripled.
The World Health Organization has just declared that this is a pandemic.
The deadly COVID-19 war. Yes, they are again fighting, toiling, and some even losing their lives. Still they continue to thrive in the medical battlefield to save their patients. Yes, they are our beloved, respected doctors. On this Doctors' Day, we on behalf of Team Paramount pay tribute to Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, former Chief Minister of West Bengal and legendary physician who made an invaluable contribution to the development of the medical field. On this Doctors' Day, let us all from Team Paramount pledge our unconditional support to the dedicated members of medical fraternity and express our deepest gratitude and respect to them. War then and war now. Yes, COVID-19. Wave after wave, so contagious, so difficult to treat, still fearlessly these heroes, the doctors, fight to cure the helpless patient. Exceptional caregivers, the doctors, are at the forefront for a spirited fight against COVID-19. Doctor in protective gear, PP kit, are like representatives of God. Eventually, a lot of them sacrifice their life while treating COVID patients. The medical fraternity's selfless service and their dedication in battling COVID-19 pandemic on the front line is really very appreciated. Team Paramount salute our doctors. At the cost of their family life, sacrificing all pleasure and fun, they ensure utmost care of their patient. Be it in the dead of the night, it rains or shines, we count on this generous human being, the doctor, to come to save our life. Their enormous ability to cope up with any unfavorable situations needs a very special round of applause. They toil hard, they sweat. Tirelessly they stand tall during a long operational procedure. They pass so many sleepless nights to ensure a better life to the patient. They are humble, they are trustworthy, confident, and tries to be flawless in treating patients. When they succeed of treating a very complex case, yes, they break into tears. Their heart echoes for the cure of the patient. While mother grieves birth, doctor ensures rebirth. Good wishes for an amazing day. Hope all of your trouble go away, just like you make patients get away with the disease. Medicine that cures disease, but only doctors that cures the patient. Yes, happy Doctors' Day to all of you. It needs a big heart to keep your comfort and life aside and sacrifice everything in the service of the mankind. Only doctor has the power to help people keep healthy, to help people to come back from death. Doctors' Day reminds us that we have doctors in our lives to keep us healthy and bring joy in our lives. May they always be there to protect us. Doctors are human, created by God, who study hard, even to challenge sometimes what God decides for us. Being a doctor is not easy, as it demands lots of commitment and dedication, but still people love their profession. Patients trust their doctors the most, and doctors work hard to keep this trust alive. But a serious point of concern is manhandling of doctors by miscreants and the hooligans.
These are some horrifying visuals that are now coming to us from Assam, where 24 people have been arrested for allegedly beating up a doctor in the state.
पंजाब के होशियारपुर में एक डॉक्टर की लोगों ने पिटाई कर दी और इसके साथ ही नाराज लोगों ने अस्पताल में जमकर हंगामा भी किया.
We vehemently condemn and oppose this, and stringent steps should be taken to stop this. This unscrupulous attitude is unpardonable. The life giver, the health heroes just need our salutes, our kudos to the medical fraternity. Dear doctor, You are the light in the darkness, shade during rain, world during storm, and next to God when you treat your patient. We, the Team Paramount, will remain ever indebted for what all you do to save our lives. We will stay ever grateful for your conscious attempt to keep us safe and healthy. We are fortunate for all your commitment and patience in handling dreadful medical conditions to save our lives. We, on behalf of Team Paramount, in folded hands, pray to Almighty God that let there be light, happiness, peace, success, and may you keep on smiling all the time, even in most distressed situations. We love you, we respect you, adore you for being there timelessly. Lastly, let's not forget that doctors are also human beings. They do have personal life. To some, they are husbands. To some, they are sons and daughters. To some, they are even fathers and brothers. Let's value these human lives, the doctors who sacrifice everything to take care of us. Again, we from Team Paramount condemn the ill behavior of these miscreants, the way they do wrongful activities with the doctors. Let's watch some leisure and pleasure time of this doctor in their personal life.
As a doctor and now being as a chef, this is one of my best hobby and best time pass to cook.
पैरामाउंट के पैथोलॉजी की तरफ से सभी डॉक्टर को
हैप्पी डॉक्टर्स डे।
हैप्पी डॉक्टर्स डे।
हैप्पी डॉक्टर्स डे।
हैप्पी डॉक्टर्स डे।
हैप्पी डॉक्टर्स डे। हैप्पी डॉक्टर्स डे। हैप्पी डॉक्टर्स डे।
हैप्पी डॉक्टर्स डे टू ऑल ऑफ यू।
हैप्पी डॉक्टर्स डे।
हैप्पी डॉक्टर्स डे।